Hello everybody, this is my crazy story. One day with my friends, crazy day. One day, me and a friend decided to bike into town to chill for a bit. We then ended up meeting with a couple other friends and ended up going to the beach. None of us had bathing suits, so we went in our boxers with about 100 other people there. Of course, we didn't care one bit. After that, we went to the school to hang out, and we had an idea to climb up to the roof and chill up there. The school is near a bunch of houses, but the roof is higher than most of the houses. We were up there for a while until we noticed a house was being reshingled, and the roofer looked at us and pulled out his phone to call the cops. So we booked it to the suburbs and went to the Catholic school that was up here. We ended up just falling around and doing random for a while. After that, we went back to the school and climbed one climbed on the roof and did some random parkour on the roof for about 3 minutes. One of my friends walked to the edge of the school roof and noticed the cops looking on the roof the other way he was, so he bought it back, jumping at least 10 feet down and told us. We went to the spot where we climbed up to get off, but there was cops there too. We thought we were screwed, but my one friend remembered there was one other way off, but it required climbing down a 3-inch diameter pipe down 30 ft. So we said that was better than juvice or a fine. So we all climbed down together, and as we got to one spot, there was a restraint that started bending and almost broke off. So we all jumped as that spot came up. Luckily, it was only about 10 feet high. We noticed the cops at the back were making their way over to where we were, so we booked it into the forest a couple yards over. We found a fort some kids made, and that was our shelter for the next 5 hours when we were hiding. After we felt we were safe, we decided to call it a day and go home. Okay, and that was our crazy day. See you, thank you.